Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Pisces. Under the deck, Seven of Cups, Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands, Eight of Swords and Eight of Wands. I think you are feeling stuck, Pisces, right now. You are thinking about someone a lot. You're stuck on them. You want to communicate with them. For some, you recently communicated with them. After that, you're feeling stuck. You keep thinking about them. And you're still very, very attracted to them. And they are also very, very attracted to you. You both have a lot of passion between both of you. And you are in some confusion, Pisces. For some, you have options also. You are so confused. You are confused. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Star, Two of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. Yes, recent past also you are juggling. Maybe you are juggling between your head over your heart. But in past, it is all about your money, creating more money. You focus totally on your abundance in recent past, Nine of Pentacles. And in recent past, there is some positive shift also in your life. The Star card is here. But still you are juggling, still you are thinking about someone a lot. Lot of juggling is here. You have to make some decision, but you are indecisive about to make that decision. Then present, King of Cups, the World and Three of Swords. Yes, there are some issues between you and your person. Maybe right now you are in separation for some no contact. Some cycles are ended between you and your person. Yeah, you do love this person a lot, but there are some issues. For some, lots of you are in separation. And for some, a brand new person is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Then future, it's all about you, yourself, strength, King of Wands and High Priestess. You started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition more, and you are taking your control back. You will know how to control your emotions. In near future, you will take your power back. Yes. Yes, in present situation, you are emotionally down, but in future, you will take your power back. Then you will stand by your power and you know how to control your emotions. You're taking your power back. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Aquarius or Leo. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Pisces, then we will get more clarity. See, Two of Pentacles juggling, Nine of Wands, Three of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. They want to work on this relationship, but right now they're guarded up because there is no clarity in this relationship. Your person is also juggling and you also juggling. There is clarity missing in this connection. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Pisces. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. They do love you. Definitely they have a lot of emotions for you. They have strong emotions for you. But there are some issues. Right now they're spying you a lot. Lots of your children's also involved in this connection. A lot of spying. It's a mutual love. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. For some, it was one type of ending between you and your person, but your person really do love you and they wanna communicate with you. Right now, they're spying on you. They have so much love for you. So let's see their intentions. Eight of Cups, Four of Cups, and Eight of Swords. Right now, your person stuck on you. I think you both are stuck on each other and they are missing you badly. Maybe they walked away from this connection. Right now, they have regrets. They have some reason for that. Maybe your family could be the issue. There are some problems, but they do love you. And yes, definitely they're feeling sad. Right now, maybe your person is totally focused on their career, but they're stuck on you and they're waiting. They're in waiting mode. They really want some positive growth in this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Hierophant. Your person thinking about commitment, stability. Yeah, right now they're feeling stuck. That's why it is taking so much time to approach you, to make a move towards you. Yes, right now they're holding back. They're not expressing their feelings to you because they're stuck. But once this energy is gone, they will make a move towards you. They will communicate with you. Yes, because they are in slow moving energy right now. They do love you, but they're not expressing, but they really want to work on this relationship. I think commitment and or stability issues between you and your person. Knight of Cups with Ace of Cups. See, you both have a lot of love. Your person also loves you so much and you also love them. But there are some issues. For some, a brand new person is entering in your life. Pisces. See, I think you are defensive. You are thinking about them a lot. You are healing. You are taking rest, but thinking about them a lot. For some, you are doing manifesting techniques to manifest your person back into your life. So let's see mutual energies. You both are on the same page. Yes, there will be some moment, but patience is the key because the Sagittarius, Temperance, maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, and the Chariot. Yeah, there will be some moment in near future, but it will take some time. Right now, it is slow moving energy, and patience is the key. There is no balance. See, under the deck, the Fool. Yeah, brand new beginnings. There will be stability is coming, but everything in divine timing. And there will be some communication and text is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Pisces. I fantasize about you. I realized my mistake. I want you back. Free yourself. So the messages are, I fantasize about you, I realized my mistake, and I want you back. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Okay. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. Definitely there will be a lot of abundance is coming in your way, especially when full moon in Taurus. It's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So if you are thinking about someone negatively and you are thinking about negatively about lot of things or lot of persons, this is the message for you. Don't think that way. Release all negative thoughts, all negativity in you. Free yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.